So you want to get into wild camping? Come along with us, we'll show you how we do it. But first let's find somewhere to pitch up. Right, so here we are, camping at Peterstone. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but legend has it that in the 1800s they used to hang bodies of criminals until they was just left for bones rattling against cages in them rocks right under where we're going to camp. We're not going to set up yet, we're in quite an open space. We've got views from houses and stuff, but we've had a walk around and this is the only place we can pitch a tent where we're not going to be at risk from rock slides. So we're going to hang fire, we're having a cup of tea. If you are going out wild camping, arrive as late as you can, set up as late as you can and leave as early as possible. Don't be an idiot with it, don't mess about and you should be fine. We've not been moved on yet, have we Derek? Touch wood. So hoping today's a risky one. Normally we'll walk for an hour and a half and find somewhere to pitch up, but we've wanted to come up here. Like I say, this is the only place we can pitch his tent where it's safe. So we'll see how we go. At the end of this video I might be saying don't come here, you'll get moved on, but we shall see. So wait for it to go a bit darker, wait for the sunset going down. I'm going to take some photos if we get a sunset and then we'll probably set up. We've decided to set our tents up now. It's going a bit dark, so it's 20 to 8 now. The sun's going down in another 1 hour 5 minutes, so we've got a while to wait. We're going to get some dinner, but like I said before, if you wanted to start wild camping, be clever about it. Don't be an idiot. There's a lot of people out there who started wild camping because of COVID, ruined it for some of us. Now people's getting moved on. You literally just come, stay out of the way, stay quiet, enjoy scenery. It's like we behave yourself. We come out, we'll have a beer, we have a sit, we have a chill, we take some sunset photos, we have a laugh, and pack up first thing in the morning. Off we go, leaving no trace. No one knows we were ever here. So that's pretty much all you've got to do. You don't need expensive gear. I started with a £10 tent. I bought off Facebook Marketplace. There's an old video, you can go check that out. First vlog I did. It held up. I've upgraded. On Facebook groups, they'll tell you, oh, you don't buy this, don't buy that. They're rubbish, they don't last. If you don't know whether you like wild camping or not, don't go out and spend £700–800 on a tent if you're only going to use it once. My tent cost me 180 quid. Still use it. I've used it in all weathers. It was brand new. I won't change it. I'll upgrade my sleeping mat, stuff like that. They were only budget when I started out. I'm still using my budget sleeping mat now. My budget sleeping bag. 30 quid mat, 60 quid sleeping bag. It's alright for this weather. Upgrade it for winter. You don't need expensive gear. Why buy it? Buy it second hand. It don't matter. Just the whole point of wild camping is getting out and enjoying yourself. Good morning. It's about 6:10. Quiet night last night, very peaceful. We had no problems, no issues, we've not seen anybody. I'm going to have my coffee, we're going to pack up, we're going to leave no trace. Like I said before, if you want to get into wild camping, just go out and do it. Grab your tent, grab your sleeping mat, sleeping bag, something to cook on, chuck it in a bag, off you go. Find somewhere nice and remote, somewhere nice and quiet, off the track of course. Don't camp next to a path, just want to get out of the way of everybody and then just go and enjoy. Like last night, like we said, this one's a bit risky. It's opposite an house, quite close to a road, but it's just one of them places we wanted to tick off as list. We've had no issues, we've been quiet, we've kept torchlight down to a minimum, so we've not been shining torches around so you couldn't see. Obviously once it's dark you can't see us. His tents are green, blends in with grass. No one's bothered us. There's no hikers or walkers coming up here this early in the morning, so we should be packed up and gone before anyone even comes. Just be respectful of the area. Leave it as you found it. Don't leave your rubbish, take your rubbish away. I will do a video what's in my bag, an up-to-date one. I've got an old one if you want to go and check that out, but I've upgraded my gear since then. I'll find some budget starting gear, what to use if you want to get into wild camping. I'll link them in the description if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching. Get a subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Get a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you on the next one.